Hi there, Blaze here, and as I said in latest video, this is the last devlog from my space shooter mobile game. Project is almost finished and there are only a few more things I need to do to release it, but let's start from the beginning. So I know it's been a long time since last devlog, there will be no excuses, just want to say sorry, but I needed this time to rest to finish all project related things and not only those. I spent dozen days on finishing my save system, which not only were refactored, but completely redesigned. Maybe you remember that I had to store all values in save data class, which then was serialized into JSON and saved into file. This is really basic way to do save system using Unity, but I actually don't like it, because I think these values should be stored in classes which are related with stored values. But then processing these values manually to save data struct and then save data file could be frustrating and take much time, so I decided to create a system which will do this for me. I tested many solutions in last weeks, also some external libraries, but ended up with save system based on special class and constructors. I don't want to explain how this system exactly works, because there is a chance I will share these scripts with you and create separated video when project ends, but I can tell that this is really convenient because I create save value once in class where I want and I can use it only there or also in other classes, depending on assets modifiers I use. When creating this system, I asked people what they think about implementing cloud save. Many of them prefer to have stable local save system, so I decided to disable for a while cloud save based on Firebase. This is because I changed the implementation of save system and now it's not as easy as earlier, but it will be probably added later cause I also have interesting idea how to implement it easily. I also added new weapons to the game. This is beginning of my balance the game milestone, and after adding that I realized that creating devlogs about adding new stuff will be probably not as interesting as creating new features, and this is the reason why I end devlog series. More systems in game looks like I want them to look on release, and now I need to add more weapons, enemies and other stuff, and then balance this game. This will take me a few weeks and will generate no content I can share with you, cause balancing game is just math and testing repeated many times. But we don't end this video, because there are a few more changes and the biggest, the most I'm proud of, is creating totally new main menu UI. And this is probably no surprise, because I told that often that current menu isn't final one but only temporary. However, now it looks like it should look, has all important information at a glance and I just like it. I also added some sound effects and haptic feedback when you click between UIs, and this is really cool. Small thing, but it changes a lot. I cannot show you this now, but you will be able to test this on your own soon. I also implemented bonuses into game, which can provide you better defense or stronger attack. They can be obtained by buying using gold coins or as a daily reward. There is also a UI for this, so player can choose them before a mission. And that's probably all. Thanks for last 9 months. I hope you wait for release as much as I. I hope that game will be released before summer ends. I will get you know here on YouTube and on Twitter also when this happens. If you want to stay updated with upcoming changes, you can follow me on Twitter. I post some updates from developments few times a week. See you soon in another videos. Bye!